So for this problem, to find the sixth term and the 55th term in the arithmetic sequence with a sub 4, or the fourth term is 76 and the ninth term is 46. So take note that in the sequence, the first term is a sub 1, the fourth term is a sub 4, and the ninth term is a sub 9. So since given the value for the fourth term, that's 76, and the ninth term is 46. So since on this problem, the first term is unknown, so therefore, we're going to use this formula to solve for this problem, where a sub n is the last term. So since the last term is a sub 9, so therefore a sub 9 is equal to a sub n, and the value for a sub 9, so this is 46. So to solve for n, so since a sub n equals a sub 9, so therefore n is equal to 9. Then for this a sub m, so a sub m is the other given term. Since the other term is a sub 4, so therefore a sub 4 is a sub m, and the value for a sub 4, this one is 76. Then to solve for m, so since a sub m is equal to a sub 4, therefore m is equal to 4. So from this, we can find out the common difference. So just substitute now all the values to this formula. So we have a sub n, and a sub n is equal to 46. Then equals a sub m, and a sub m is equal to 76. Then plus n is equal to 9, minus m is equal to 4, then times the common difference, then transpose this 76 to the other side, so this becomes 46 minus 76, then equals, so this 9 minus 4, this one is 5, then times the common difference, and this 46 minus 76, this is equal to negative 30, then equals 5 times the common difference. Then to solve for the common difference, or d, divide both sides by 5. So d, or the common difference, is equal to negative 6. So since the common difference is equal to negative 6, so we can find now the sixth term. So to solve for the sixth term from the fourth term, so since the fourth term is equal to 76, so therefore to find the fifth term, this is equal to 76 plus the common difference, that's negative 6. Then to find out the fifth term, so 76 plus negative 6, so this is equal to positive 70. Then to find out the sixth term, so from the fifth term, 70 plus negative 6. So we have 70 plus negative 6, so therefore the sixth term is equal to positive 64. Then this time to find out this 55th term. So this is now the 55th term, the a sub 55. So therefore the last term is a sub 55. So a sub n is equal to a sub 55. And this one is the unknown. So using now this formula, so we have a sub n, and a sub n is a sub 55, then equals a sub m, and a sub m is 76, then plus n. So n now is equal to 55, then minus m. M is equal to 4 times the common difference, and the common difference is negative 6. So to simplify, so this is a sub 55 equals 76, then plus. So this 55 minus 4, this is 51 times negative 6. Then we have a sub 55 equals 76, then plus. So this 51 times negative 6. So this is negative 306. So we have now a sub 55, then equals. So 76 plus negative 306. So we have 76 plus the negative 306. So therefore the 55th term is negative 230.